Here we have a whole bunch of Posta Romana Olympic postage stamps. Okay, let's take you right through them. Now a few of them, like these two here, look like they were cut out because the perforation is not all the way around them. So they almost seem like they were cut out or something. Very different, for sure. Alright, so we have a 1, 2, a 60 bunny, a 55 bunny, a 40, almost seems like they're all in the 1960s too, and a 10, then a 60, and anywhere from 1960 to 1964. No, there's actually 56 in here. Huh. Okay, well, the 64, 75, and that's 64. A1. Cool. A20. And these here are the 56s. Back in 56, they made them a little bit different. 1960. Are they nicely designed? Very elegant looking. A 1964. Another 1964. I got it backwards, don't I? There we go. And a 1956. Another 1956. Good way to advertise the winners, huh? 1960. And then these next two are like the first two. Seem like they were cut off. Cut. 1956. And a 1960. All kind of neat. Plenty of them here. All Olympics. Posta Romana Olympic postage stamps from 1956 to 1964. All right. Bye-bye now.